Today I'm going to go through the chain tightening procedure on an older Polaris chain drive. This one's a 2000 Polaris Explorer, but all the principles apply to many Polaris models with a chain drive. First thing, you're going to need a 5/8 socket and wrench, and you're going to have to break this bolt and this bolt loose. You have nuts on the bottom side that you'll have to hold. So I'm going to crack those loose. Once you loosen these two bolts, you don't have to take them all the way out, just loosen them. You got these caliper bracket bolts down here. I already cracked those loose, that's why they're coming out easy, but I had no problems. There's another one down here. Just back these out a few turns until you get some wiggle. Then, I usually like to just spray the crap out of this eccentric with some kind of penetrating oil. The factory procedure, I believe, is they want you to stick a pin through the sprocket. There's holes, and then I don't know, I hate that way. The way I do it, big ass channel locks. Grab a hold of this. Now you see our chain slack is extremely loose. So forward actually tightens it. You can see as I turn this eccentric, chain tension is getting tighter. And I'm sure there's a spec for the chain deflection, but that looks pretty good. Once you get the chain deflection where you're happy with it, you can tighten up these caliper bracket bolts. Once you got your caliper bracket bolts tight, go back, tighten these. And you're done.